And with me on the phone now is Mr. Jim Hyerczyk. He's the Chief Market Analyst of Brewer Investment Group. Jim, always good to talk to you.
Thanks, Don.
Now, Jim, I know that the Fed is having their meeting next week. There's a lot of things at stake. How do you think that's going to affect monetary policy?
Well, I think the Fed is going to continue to keep interest rates low. I think that they have not seen a turnaround in the employment situation to harbor any kind of rate hike at this time. And at the same time, inflation is down. And so those two factors, low inflation and low employment, are going to continue to keep interest rates down, and that should allow the Fed to continue to let their work their magic to get this economy to recover and to slowly ease our economy out of the stimulus packages that they have put on in the last year.
You know, Jim, I remember years ago when Alan Greenspan was Fed chairman and they would have a Fed meeting, they would actually get cameras to see how thick his briefcase was when he was crossing the street. There's always so much anticipation as what kind of language the Fed's going to come out with their opinion. Are we looking for any specific language from the Fed meeting next week?
Well, the Fed has been pretty strict in keeping the term prolonged period of time in their statement, and that refers to how long interest rates are going to remain low. And so the traders are jockeying for position as to what that actually means. At this time, the bond markets reflect June 2010 as a likely period when interest rates would start to rise, and a large percentage of traders are betting on that time frame. And depending on what kind of language the Fed uses, it could shift between September and April also. So that's the key phrase they're looking for, prolonged period of time. They're going to see whether the Fed changes that to shorter period of time or longer, extended period of time to give them clues as to what the Fed's thinking.
Interesting analysis. Once again, Jim Hyerczyk. He's the Chief Market Analyst of Brewer Investment Group. If you'd like to know more information about them, visit their website at brewerfuturesgroup.com. Jim, talk to you next week.
Thank you, Don.
Take care.